You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 35/33. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the y. Multiply both sides by 7 minus 6y. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Group all y terms on the left side of the equation. Add 90y to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by 99. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is y equals 35/33.